I wanna show you how to make a tissue dispenser to go. Looks like a vanilla bean frappuccino in there. Classic, but doesn't fit everywhere you need it to, especially if you're on the go. Of course, you can buy these from the store, but I wanna show you how you can make your own with tissues you already have at home.
So can I get started for you?
Can I get a venti cold brew, just black? Venti cold brew with heavy cream? What's your sugar-free frappuccino options?
Vanilla.
Then I will do one of those, please. I think that's it.
All right, 1873.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Can I also trouble you for a grande cup, just empty with the dome lid?
Yeah.
He's up for the nonsense. Thank you. This is exactly what we need. Dome top, let's get crafty.
If you've never known what's inside of a tissue box, this is your chance to find out. All it is, just a wad, a mound, fold of tissues. I'm gonna take these out. Now, we only want a portion of these, maybe about a third. So I'm gonna take a few of these out. And where the tissue separates and pulls out, that's the side we're gonna wanna keep and fold towards the center. Just need a Starbucks cup. You can get a clean one, ask the barista for it, or just clean and recycle the one you're drinking from. That's a great way to just kind of upcycle one of your cups. So I take the tissues, just gonna fold them vertically with where I pull from in the center, put them right in the middle of the cup. This is so easy. And then you wanna ask for a dome lid. That's gonna go on. Make sure you have that tissue poking out. And just that easy, you have a DIY quick tissue dispenser that you can fit in your cup holder. So yes, you can buy those mini packs of tissues, but those are sometimes kind of hard to pull a tissue out if you're on the go, if you're in the car and you need to rip one out really quick. You can buy these cylinder canister versions that are really good for on the go, but this is just buying an extra box of tissues. You probably have these box of tissues at home. I buy these in bulk from the big box stores. I have several on hand, so why not just use one of these and make it a quick on the go version, and it's just a cute way to keep some tissues in your car. Now I'm gonna have to save all these to blow my nose. And even this box you can reuse. I'm just gonna put these back in there. A little tape, and this box is still good to use. You have no idea how much R&D went into this. You thought this was easy, simple? No. I tried grande cups, I tried venti cups, I tried a rubber band and a Ziploc baggie. I tried a deli container. Here was our prototype. A deli container, but they tend to get stuck, especially near the end of the tissues. And after some research development, we ended up with the Starbucks cup. Just to have a simple, easy way that we can get some tissues in a cup holder to go, so it's easy while we're in the car driving to grab a tissue. And this was the easiest solution. The little dome whipped cream top. I feel like a magician. Go to those magic shows. I'm gonna save all these. They're gonna go in this Starbucks cup for another adventure. But it really is that easy. Just a cup, a lid, and tissues you already have at home.